Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to this openwork zigzag on the background of smooth stockinette stitch, with a very easy knitting method. The pattern requires casting on a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 edge stitches to start and consists of 3 stitches and 4 rows. The first row is on the right side. After the edge loop, make a yarn over loop first, to form the long loop in the next row. Swap the places of the first and second loops. Knit the first. Make a yarn over loop again. Knit the third. Drop the rightmost loop over them. Again. Make a yarn over loop. Swap the places of the first and second loops. Knit the first. Make a yarn over loop. Knit the third. Drop the rightmost loop over them. The second row is on the wrong side. We will make the long loops. After the edge loop, purl 1. Then drop a yarn over. Again, purl 1. Then drop a yarn over. The third row is on the right side. We will restore the initial number of loops. After the edge loop, knit 1 out of the scheme. Then the repeat pattern is, pull up a loop from the bottom row between the loops, then knit the second and knit the first. Pull up a loop from the bottom row between the loops, then knit the second and knit the first. At the end of the row out of the scheme, knit 1. The fourth row is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. Between the openwork paths, we knit 2 rows of stockinette stitch. I've presented you with a simple, delicate openwork featuring a beautiful texture and a wide range of applications. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.